First, you're going to roll your sleeves up and take off your jewelry. Second, you are going to turn on the water and get some soap on your hands. You're going to scrub your hands, and then you're going to rinse them off under water. Shut the water off when you're done, and make sure to dry your hands. When you're done, put your jewelry back on. And you can put your sleeves back down if you want to. After we washed our hands, you're going to get your ingredients. So first, you're going to get your Nutella. You're going to get your peanut butter. You're going to get your bread and plate. And then you're going to get your spoon, knife, fork, whatever you're going to use. Second step is that you're going to want to put your hair up so you don't get your hair in your food. If you have short hair, then this isn't a problem. But if you have long hair like me, then you should probably put it up. Now you are going to take the lid off of your peanut butter and Nutella. You're going to grab your bread of choice. And then you're just going to get a scoop of Nutella or peanut butter. And you're going to place it on the bread just like this. You can toast your bread before if you want to, but you don't have to. You may need a little bit more. After you have your bread done, you are going to get a napkin and you're going to wipe it off. Here I have got my napkin so it doesn't contaminate the peanut butter. You're going to give it a good wipe off, and then now you're going to get your peanut butter. You can use crunchy peanut butter or thin peanut butter, or whatever kind of peanut butter you like. And you're just going to spread it like you did on the other one. Maybe some more. Now, when you are finished with those pieces, you're going to take them, you're going to put them together, just like this. Now that you're all done making your sandwich, enjoy.